Do you want to improve in your mathematics? Then follow the GIT home tuition, because it will help you to excel in your mathematics. So today we have this on the board. Currently what we are looking at is that is circle theorem, and we are looking at the theorem one after the other. So if you have not watched our previous video, please go and do that so that you can get a whole understanding of what you are doing. Now today we have this question on the board to solve. The question says that find the value for what? X. Look at the position of X, and the question is telling you to find what X. Whenever you come across a question like that, the next thing that you need to ask yourself is that which of the theorem are you actually going to use to be able to, sometimes it may require you to use more than one. So which of them are you going to use? Now look at it. With this question, when you turn it this way, all right, let me try to draw it here. When you turn it this way, center, this is what you have, and this side is 65. All right, so this side is O and this side is X. So they want you to find X. Now you ask yourself, how do you go about finding X? So immediately, this is the theorem that should come to mind. What is the theorem? The theorem is saying that the angle a chord subtends at the center of a circle is twice the angle it subtends at the circumference of a circle. What does it mean? This is a chord, and the chord actually, when the end point actually meet at the center, they form a circle. They form an angle. That angle is A. And that same chord, when it also subtends at the circumference, any part of the circumference, and when they meet like this, they also form an angle. That angle is B. The condition is that the angle formed at the center is equal to twice the angle formed at the circumference. Now watch out with this question. Somebody may ask, where is the chord? So you are the one supposed to what? Introduce it. You see, when you introduce it this way, and that means that this one has formed an angle here, but you don't know yet. So this is center O, and this is 65. So for you to know this, you can represent it by M. So we can say that based on this, then M is equal to twice of that, which is what? The 65. In this case, 65 degrees. So M will be equal to, that is 130. Now, having gotten this side to be 130, then your understanding of angles will now come in here. What do I mean by that? The whole of this, the summation of this and that is equal to what? 360. So that means that M plus X is equal to 360 degrees. All right, but what is M? We've calculated for it, which is 130 degrees plus X equal to 360 degrees. All right, so you have X should be equal to 360 degrees minus 130 degrees. And what do you have? 230 degrees.